Welcome. Today we will learn quadratic equations by factorization method. First, we will understand the concept. Then we will solve one example step by step. By substituting arbitrary values for the variable, finding roots of a quadratic equation becomes time-consuming. So, we use the factorization method to find the roots faster. Consider the quadratic expression x squared minus 4x minus 5. This expression can be written as x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 1. Here, x minus 5 and x plus 1 are two linear factors of the quadratic polynomial. Now let us understand how x squared minus 4x minus 5 is factorized. For factorization, we look at the constant term negative 5 and the middle term negative 4x. We need two numbers whose product is negative 5 and whose sum is negative 4. The numbers are negative 5 and positive 1. Negative 5 multiplied by positive 1 gives negative 5. Negative 5 plus positive 1 gives negative 4. Therefore, x squared minus 4x minus 5 is equal to x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 1. Now write the quadratic equation using the factors. If product of two numbers is 0, then at least one of them is 0. So, either x minus 5 is 0 or x plus 1 is 0. From x minus 5 equals 0, we get x equals 5. From x plus 1 equals 0, we get x equals negative 1. Therefore, 5 and negative 1 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. While solving the equation, first we obtain the linear factors. So, we call this method factorization. Method of solving quadratic equation. Now let us solve the example. M squared minus 14m plus 13 equals 0. First, identify the middle term. The middle term is negative 14m. We need two numbers whose product is positive 13 and whose sum is negative 14. The numbers are negative 13 and negative 1. So, negative 14m becomes negative 13m and minus 1m. Now we solve the equation step by step. Start with m squared minus 14m plus 13 equals 0. Replace negative 14m by negative 13m and minus 1m. Now group the first two terms and group the last two terms. From the first group, take m common. From the second group, take negative 1 common. Notice carefully, the common binomial factor is m minus 13. Therefore, the factorized form is m minus 13 multiplied by m minus 1 equals 0. Let us understand this important simplification more clearly. In both terms, the same factor m minus 13 is present. So, we take m minus 13 as a common factor. After taking the common factor out, the remaining terms are m and negative 1. So the equation becomes m minus 13 multiplied by m minus 1 equals 0. Now apply the zero product rule to the factorized equation. If product of two numbers is 0, then at least one of them is 0. Therefore, m minus 13 is 0, or m minus 1 is 0. Solving m minus 13 equals 0 gives m equals 13. Solving m minus 1 equals 0 gives m equals 1. Therefore, 13 and 1 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Let us quickly revise the steps. Step 1. Write the quadratic equation. Step 2. Split the middle term using product and sum. Step 3. Group the terms. Step 4. Take common factors. Step 5. Apply the zero product rule. Step 6. Solve the linear equations. The answers are called the roots. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Subscribe for more mathematical videos.